Whoa! Yeah. Yeah, that one's coming up. It's called the Walking Stern Album at your nearest neighborhood record store. Tower right up the street. This is a Dairy Queen special. They're knocking on my door. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Got me right on the floor. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. They just want to jump right up. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. And drink a beer from a coffee cup. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Woo! In just 1 hour, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I took a shower, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Now it's getting louder, more and more. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And I wonder who's knocking on my door. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Woo! Now it's getting louder, more and more. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. Now the rain is beginning to pour. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. I don't care anymore. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And I wonder who's knocking on my door. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. What's Hillary's knocking on my door? You know that? Woo! Yeah, come on in, Hillary. Hillary, let me introduce you to Bill Clinton, right here. Yeah, she was knocking on my door. Hillary Clinton, she was knocking on my door. Yes, her fingers are sore, knocking on my door. That's on Mercury Records. And your nearest neighborhood record store if it's not here tonight. Call it a jukebox. Wait, are you ready to hear about that Martian? Okay. There was a flying saucer landed out here the other day in front of John Belushi's house. Martian got out. John Belushi walked up to the Martian and asked him, "Well, what can I do for you, Mr. Martian?" He said, "Please take me to your brother, Jim Belushi." Hey, he stood there for a minute, didn't do anything, so he walked over to a gas pump. Gas pump, he said, "Please take me to your leader, Jim Belushi." Diesel gas pump stood there for a minute, didn't do anything. Same thing with the regular and the no-lead. Nothing happened. He climbed back into his flying saucer, cotton picking, horse collars, took off for Mars. The next week he was giving out his report on Earth, and his boss came by and asked, "Well, how was Earth?" He said, "Well, everybody stood around with their fingers in their ears." You got to be a Martian to understand that one. Let's see if I can take off these Martian ears, see if I can hear something going on here. Come on. Come on, what number next? Come on, let's get it going. What? Prison? Frozen? Oh, my underwear frozen the clothesline? How about that? Mayor Daley thawed it out. Yeah, he thawed out my frozen underwear. By using solar power. and the water came down from my frozen underwear. Oh, it's full of power, like the sunshine. Frozen underwear was thought out by Mayor Richard Daley. If he can't throw out a mob's underwear, nobody can.